In today's video, I'll show you how to change your default Google Drive account, also known as your primary Google account. This is especially useful if you manage multiple Google accounts and want one specific account to be the default across all Google services. Let's go step by step. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. This will take you to your Google Drive homepage where all your files and folders are neatly displayed. Now, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. It's a small circular image or letter that represents your current Google account. Click on it to open a drop-down menu showing all accounts you're signed into. From that menu, select Sign Out of All Accounts. This step is very important because Google doesn't let you switch the primary account without signing out first. When you click this option, you'll be logged out of every Google account currently active in your browser. After signing out, you'll be redirected to the Google sign-in page. This is where the key step happens. The first account you log into after signing out will automatically become your default Google account. So make sure the first one you choose is the account you want as your primary. Go ahead and click on the desired account, then enter your password to sign in. Once logged in, this account is now set as your new default across Google Drive, Gmail, YouTube, and other Google services. Next, you can sign back into your other accounts if you use more than one. To do that, click your profile icon again and select Add Another Account. Then, sign in with your other Google credentials. These accounts will be available for easy switching, but your newly selected primary account will remain the default one unless you repeat this process again. It's worth noting that your default Google account determines how you access and manage many services, including which account opens automatically when you visit Google Apps or upload files to Drive. So, if you often find yourself switching between personal and work accounts, setting the correct default can save you a lot of confusion and time. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default Google Drive account. Remember, the first account you sign into after logging out becomes your new primary account. So always choose carefully. If something doesn't work as expected, simply repeat these steps. Sign out of all accounts, then sign back in, starting with the one you want as your default. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy to follow tech tutorials that make managing your online tools simple and stress-free.